Hello everyone, I am Mrs. K. Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So in this video, I am going to discuss about list in Python. First, we discuss about how to create a list. In generally, list is defined as a collection of values or items. So the items present in the list should be separated with a comma and enclosed with the square brackets. The syntax for creating the list is list variable equal to, within the square brackets we have to enter the value 1, value 2 and value 3, and these three values will be separated with the commas. So in this example you can see that L1, L2, L3 and L4. L1 will be the empty list and L2 contains the three different data types: integer, string and float. And L3 contains the value from 1 to 6, it's entirely integer, and L4 contains the entirely string. The string will be enclosed with the double quotation. Next we are going to discuss about list indexing. Like a string sequence, the indexing of the Python list starts from the 0, and the first element of the list is stored at the 0th index and the second element will be first index and so on. So the elements of the list can be accessed by using the slice operator. In this example you can see that my list is a list name. So the my list contains the items called banana, apple, mango, tomato and berry. The banana will be indexed with a 0 and berry will be indexed with 4. For accessing the berry, we can use my list. Within the slice operator, we have to mention the index number 4. So in this example, you can see that my list of 0 will be banana. If you want to extract the selected items, we have to use the slicing operator, starting value with the ending value. The starting value will be 1, means the 1 indexed value will be apple, and 3 will be, it will be n minus 1, so the value will be mango. List indexing in Python also supports the negative indexing. In negative indexing, that will be started with the -1. It will be started with the last element of the list. So in this example, you can see that berry contains the index value of -1 and banana contains the index value of -5. Next, we are going to discuss about list operators. The list operators are concatenation operator, repetition operator, slice operator, range slice operator, membership operator. The concatenation operator will be used to merge these two lists. The repetition operator concatenate and print the multiple copies of the same list. The slice operator will be used to access the element in the items list. The range slice operator, we have to mention the starting value and the ending value. Membership operator, it will return the particular item is present in the list, true. Whether it is not in, it will be returned false. The list operator in Python, so we have been discuss about some examples. So the number contains the values. The number is a list name. The contains the items 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And language is the another list. In this you can see that it contains the Python, C, Java, PHP. So here we have a two list. The first operation will be concatenation. We have to use the symbol plus. So we have to concatenate num. Num is the first list name. Language is the second list name. The output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, Python, C, Java and PHP. And second thing, I have to implement the multiplication operator. That is, multiplication means here we have to use the symbol of multiplication symbol, but it performs the operation of repetition. So num into 2 means the num list will be repeated for the 2 times. So in the, you can see in the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second one will be the slicing operator for extracting the items from the list. You can see that 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 means 0 means 2, 1 is to 4. For lang, the values are Python, C, Java and PHP. So C, Java and PHP. Whether CPP in lang, this is a membership operator. We have to check whether the particular item is present inside the list or not. So CPP is not inside the lang list. So the output will be false. Whether 6 not in number? Yes, 6 is not in number because number contains the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 6 is not there. So the output will be true. Next, we have to see about how to update or change the element to the list. The Python allows us to modify the list items by using the slice operator and assignment operator. So in this you can see that I have to modify the second value, that is third value will be updated to as a 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the items that will be present inside the number list. I have to update the 3 value by the 30. So I have to mention number of 2. 2 is my index value equal to 30. In this output you can see that. And then I have to change the values as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 25 and 26 is my updated value. Now, how to delete or remove the elements from the list? Python allows us to delete one or more items in the list by using the del keyword. So in this example, you can see that num equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print num, you can see that the results. Del num1, the num1 value will be deleted. So the index value, within the square bracket, we have to mention the index value, not the item. Iterating the list. A list can be iterated by using for in loop, a simple list containing the for string that can be iterated as a for loop. So in this example, you can see that language contains the 4 items: Python, C, Java and PHP. Now we have to print the all item. Within the for loop, I have to mention the iterating variable I in lang list. So print I, first it will be print Python, C, Java and PHP. The list functions and methods. The list functions and methods in Python are length, max, minimum, sum, list, sorted, append, remove, sort, reverse, count, index, insert, pop and clear. The length will be used to find out the length of the list. So in this example you can see that the length of the list will be 6. Second one will be maximum. We have to find out the maximum value in the list. So for that we have to use the function max of list. So the output will be, maximum number will be 6. So in this list too you can see that maximum value will be Python. Next method is minimum. We have to find out the minimum value in the list. The keyword will be min, and in this example you can see that 1 will be the minimum and C will be the minimum in the list 1 and the list 2. Next one will be the sum. Sum will be used to sum of all the values in the list. List sequence. So in list is used to convert the given sequence or string or tuple into list. Consider the str variable contains the Python. So now we have to convert this string Python into list. Conversion of tuple and string will be converted into list. The keyword of list will be used. Sorted, for the sorted, sort all the items in an ascending order. Here we have to use the keyword sorted. Append means we have to add the items into the end of the list. So consider we having the number up to 5. Number list that contains the items up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to append the 6th value. So num dot is the accessing operator. So num dot append of 6. So 6 value will be appended to the end of the list. Remove keyword will be used to remove the elements, remove the items in the list. It removes the first occurrence of item if contains a duplicate items. So consider you can the list 1 contains the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to remove the list 1 dot remove 2. 2 means here the value of 2, not an index value. Sort. The sort method sorts the list of elements into the descending order or ascending order. By default, the sorts the elements into the ascending order. It takes an optional parameter reverse which sorts the list in the reverse descending order. The reverse method reverses the element of the list. The last index value of the list will be present at the 0th index. In this you can see that the list 1 contain the value of 6, 8, 2, 4, 10. So in this output you can see that 10, 4, 2, 8, 6. It is a reverse element of the list. Count method returns number of items or number of times an element appears in the list. So in this example you can see that number contains the 2 will be present for the 3 times, 10 will be not presented, so the value will be 0. Index method that returns the index of paused element. If the element is not present, it raises the error value. Insert method, the element at the specified index in the list, so the first arguments in the index elements before which had been insert. So for that we have to use the syntax list dot insert the index value and the item. Pop will be used for remove the elements present in the specified index from the list. Clear will be used to remove all the elements from the list. So up to this we covered the operations and then methods, looping with respect to the list. Thank you.